Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads language settings. This is incredibly useful if you're managing campaigns in different regions or simply prefer to navigate your dashboard in a language you're most comfortable with. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find various menu options. Look for the Admin menu and click on it. This section is where you'll access all the administrative controls for your account. Once you click on Admin, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. This is your gateway to managing account-wide settings that affect how you interact with Google Ads. From this expanded menu, locate the option labeled Preferences and click on it. The Preferences section is where you can customize various aspects of your Google Ads experience, including language and formatting options that make navigating the platform easier and more intuitive. Now that you're in the Preferences settings, scan through the available options until you find Display Language and Number Format. This is the setting that controls how your entire Google Ads interface appears to you. Click on it to proceed. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Display Language. Click on this drop-down to see all the available language options. Google Ads supports numerous languages, so take your time to scroll through and select the one that best suits your needs. Whether you're switching to Spanish, French, Japanese, or any other supported language, this is where you make that change. After selecting your preferred language from the drop-down menu, make sure to click Save. This action confirms your selection and applies the new language setting across your entire Google Ads account. Depending on your connection speed, you might notice the page refresh as it loads the interface in your newly selected language. Give it a moment to complete this process, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in your Google Ads account, making it easier to manage your campaigns in the language you're most comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.